Exercise. E-page 22. Activity book for beginners. Listen and answer. Al-Khwarizmi, the father of algebra. Al-Khwarizmi was a famous mathematician, astronomer, and scholar from Persia. He was born around 780 AD and worked in Baghdad, where he became one of the most important scientists of his time. Al-Khwarizmi is known as the father of algebra. He wrote a famous book about solving mathematical problems using equations. This book introduced the ideas that are still used in algebra today. In fact, the word algebra comes from the Arabic word al-jabr, which he used in his book. But Al-Khwarizmi did more than just algebra. He also worked on improving the number system we use today, which is called the decimal system. Thanks to him, we use the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on, which make math easier. His work was translated into many languages and shared with scholars in Europe. This helped spread his ideas around the world, and his contributions to mathematics are still important today. Al-Khwarizmi's work changed the way people understood math, and he is remembered as one of the greatest mathematicians in history.